Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll guide you on how to find your video ID on YouTube using your PC. Knowing your video ID can be helpful when sharing your content or performing advanced customization. Let's get started. Step 1. Open YouTube Studio. Launch YouTube Studio on your PC. This is where you manage and access all your YouTube content. Step 2. Click on Content. In the left-hand side menu, locate and click on the Content tab. This will display all your uploaded videos. Step 3. Select a video. From the list of uploaded videos, choose the specific video you want to find the ID for. Simply click on it to proceed. Step 4. Click Details. Within the Video Details page, click on the Details tab. This will provide you with various settings and options for your video. Step 5. Locate the video ID. Now pay attention to the video URL displayed at the top of the page. After youtube.be, you'll find a unique combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. This is your video ID. And there you have it. Your video ID is the unique combination of characters located after youtube.be in the video URL. Remember, this ID is specific to the individual video and can be used for various purposes. We hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful YouTube tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.